Hi students, my name is Miss Sarah McCone and I'm recording a video for you, which feels a little funny, but it's so important because I want you to kind of know the face behind this Moodle course so you don't feel like you're just submitting an assignment into an abyss. I really want you to feel like you kind of know who I am and you know why I'm teaching this course. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about me, but also in this video I'm going to go over kind of the first couple weeks of our course and talk with you about how the Moodle course works. So stay tuned and I'll explain that to you. So first comes first, a little about me. I did my undergraduate work at UNC Wilmington. Some of you might know it. It's over there by the beach. So I got my degree in English and also in history. And then I did my master's work here at State. So I majored in technical communication, which all of you are familiar with. When you get those little software manuals, when you buy your new iPod or new technologies, your parents used to complain about the ones that were written to the VCR, right? People write those, and I'm one of them. So technical communication was a lot of that technical writing. So that's what I do. I do a lot of technical writing. I also obviously teach online and build online communities, and I do a lot of video development and online tutorials. So I'm very interested in both writing and internet technologies. And that's why I love this course, because it's so important for you as you're going out into the business world. You really want an understanding of how to communicate in that online environment. So I'm really excited to work with you and help you figure that out, and we'll be doing that this semester. So that's a little about me. Let's talk a little bit about the beginning of this course. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is read the syllabus. And you're going to have to actually read my syllabus. And I apologize because I know they're not the most exciting documents, and I just told you that I write manuals. So obviously I don't write extremely exciting documents all the time, right? But this syllabus is so important. It's an online class, so a lot of the responsibility is on you, so you need to read the syllabus. You also kind of have to read it because what I did is I created a forum that we're all going to write in. You're just going to introduce yourself in this little forum post, but you're also going to answer some questions that I listed in the syllabus. And so as you're reading the syllabus, you're going to find little questions, and you're going to have to answer those questions in the forum post. So you really can't respond to the first forum unless you've read the syllabus. And I'm sorry, I know that's kind of a trick that I'm pulling on you there, but I really need you to read the syllabus, and so that's one of the ways I'm just going to make sure everyone's done that. So read the syllabus, take the questions out of it, don't post the questions in the forum, just post your answers there, and then after a couple of days come back, or if there are already responses, go ahead and do it right away. You're going to need to respond to 3 of your classmates' posts as well. So your responsibilities in that forum aren't complete until you've posted and replied to 3 other people. So hopefully that clears that up and you understand that. And again, just look at the home page of the Moodle site and you'll see the syllabus, you'll see the forum, you'll see exactly when everything's due. So just refer to that. Okay, the next thing I want to talk with you about are the major assignments for the course. We're going to be doing things like creating group presentations and writing memos and doing cover letters and proposals and all kinds of exciting documents. I know you just can't wait, right? Well, the first assignment is due in a pretty short amount of time. And so I'd really like for you to go ahead and read the description of that assignment. Now, this is a professional writing course, so what I've done is instead of just kind of writing out, here's the assignment, here's what I want you to do, I've written you a memo. So I've written you a memo about each assignment that you're going to have due in this class. So right now you can go to the assignment page and you'll see a memo for every single assignment that we're doing all the way until the end of the semester. You don't need to read all of them right now, although you obviously will need to read them all sometime. You need to go ahead and read the first one. Know what assignment is coming up, look at the due date for that, and read the memo that I wrote to you about that assignment. Your first assignment to me is a memo, ironically. So already we're talking a lot about memos. But you're going to be writing me a memo and you're going to be turning it in on Moodle. So just to make sure that you're not overwhelmed in this first couple of weeks in this online class, go ahead and read that, know what's expected of you, and just know exactly when that's going to be due and things like that. And we'll all be off to a great start. The last thing I want to talk with you about in this video, I'm going to pull up the Moodle course here so you can look at it. As you can see, everything is visible for the next 3 weeks. After that, you can only see the reading requirements and anything that's going to be due. but you can't click on anything. For example, the PowerPoints aren't available yet, and the forums that you're going to be posting in aren't there yet. I'm always going to have 3 weeks of the course open. And then anytime after that, you'll be able to see what readings are due, what big assignments you'll have due, but you won't be able to fully complete that week yet. And the reason for that is I just don't want you working so far ahead. I want us all to kind of stay on the same schedule. But I understand that a lot of you have other priorities, and that's why you're taking an online class. So you can always work up to 3 weeks ahead. After that, every time a week ends, I'll open the next week's course. So hopefully that explains why that looks that way. And I think that's going to work well for us this semester because we have a lot of group work, and it's just going to help if everyone's on the same page. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. I really appreciate you taking time to listen to this video. I know it's kind of a silly thing to do, but hopefully it just makes you feel like you kind of know me a little bit better so that when I'm emailing you back, you can kind of picture who I am, and it's not just this Moodle robot emailing you back. Also, I hope we're all going to start off on the same foot. I look forward to reading your forum posts, and I'm really looking forward to your first assignment. So make sure you take time to complete those. Otherwise, I hope you all have a fantastic week, your first week back at school. I hope it's wonderful. I hope if you're getting questions, if you have questions as you're reading the syllabus and the course calendar, let me know about those. Send me an email. We can meet if you'd like, or we can just correspond over email, and I'll get those questions answered. Otherwise, like I said, have a great week, and I really look forward to working with you. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye.